So guys, first you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is actually turned on, or your mobile data. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is actually turned on. You also want to make sure you have flight mode or airplane mode turned off. Make sure you have this option turned off, flight mode, you want to turn it off. For the next method, make sure that your phone date and time is synced up. So go to your phone settings and then just search for date and time. Go to it. Make sure that you have your date and time synced up properly and that it's the correct date and time on your phone. For the next method, you want to go to the Play Store or the App Store and you want to search up WhatsApp. Go to the WhatsApp application on the Play Store or the App Store. If WhatsApp needs to do an update, it will tell you. Make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. If that's still not working, then you want to make sure that your chats are backed up. Then you want to uninstall WhatsApp and then reinstall it again. Hopefully this will work for you. You can also try restarting your phone.